My name is Dan Wangler, and I have a design, build, remodeling company. We specialize in kitchens, baths, basements, and whole home remodels. I got an email either through the NARI website or NKBA, and it was just a one-day seminar that Aspire Institute was having in Chicago about where do contractors' profits go. They really go into the different details about the business, all aspects of it, from marketing to sales to production, estimating, how to look at your numbers, all of those things. There are business managers and business coaching firms out there all over the place, but Aspire focuses specifically on new construction and remodeling market, and that's their clientele. And so I wasn't going to sign up with a company that had general business. Aspire knows my business inside and out better than I know my business. I immediately made an appointment right there at the seminar to see Fred the next day. He asked us to bring in P&Ls, and he went through them with me and explained to me the different things and where I'm losing money. And it's right in front of me, but I never knew it. Go and listen, make up your own mind, but if you decide to do it, whether you think you know what you're doing or not, you will definitely learn, and you make far more money than you spend. Just grateful that I answered that one email and went to that seminar, and it's been nothing but a blessing for us. So we're happy.